Today I'm going to show you how to avoid scams and protect yourself while trying to get a gig on Fiverr. Alright, so let's get straight into it. Your skills actually do deserve protection, so this is how you can spot your threats. You can guard your data as well, that's very important. And you can also keep your Fiverr business safe, even if you are a freelancer and you're just operating as a freelancer. So, they're invisible threats. So fake Fiverr emails or messages that are designed to steal your login credentials or payment information. Always check for misspelled domains like Fiverr, because, if you look at it quickly, or if it contains any suspicious links. Never open attachments or click unfamiliar URLs that are sent via messages. These can really silently compromise your device and expose any of your sensitive data. Scammers also push to move chats to Telegram, WhatsApp, or any external payment tools. This really strips you of your Fiverr's oversight and your dispute protection. I cannot talk about this enough. This is a major red flag. And the reason this is a major red flag is because Fiverr has put some things in place to protect you as a seller and also protect the buyer. So, two of those most important things is a place to communicate. This means that they can monitor all communications. And if there's anything suspicious about the buyer, they can actually flag that, as well as the fact that they have insights into the buyer's profile and you don't. So they can actually see a little bit more than what you can see. And the second thing is, which is more important, ladies and gentlemen, Fiverr will be taking a small percentage of what you are earning. But let me tell you something. I've burnt myself many times in the past on various other platforms. If you take your payment off of the platform, there is no guarantee. There is absolutely no guarantee that you will get paid. Fiverr has put this payment protection into place for this exact situation. So do the right thing. Keep your communications and your payments on the platform. It is simple. Very, very simple. It's the best protection you can have. Then, fake job offers. This easy money gigs, looking for tons of beginners. Earn X amount per day. It's lies, man. Come on. If it was real, we'd all be doing it, right? Some jobs even require upfront fees. What are you there to do? Make money or pay money? They'll ask for personal information before any work begins. And really, ultimately, as a bottom line, if it sounds too good to be true, it almost certainly is 99% of the time. Sometimes you get like an offer that's like, wow. But most of the time, it's going to be completely unrealistic. The last thing over here is, as I said, keep everything on the platform, verify everything. So review the buyer and the seller profiles carefully. Whether you're buying or selling, review whoever you're working with properly. If they haven't got any reviews, if they have vague profiles, or they use pressure tactics, or have any warning signs that are worth really taking seriously, then don't go into an agreement with them, because good chance they are trying to gain something out of you. Then never share any of your passwords. I think this is just general knowledge. Your ID, payment details. This is very true, and you need to go and read their terms of service. Okay, Fiverr will never ask you for any of your login credentials to process any of the payments. They already have access to be able to move payments up and down. Obviously, it's limited for security reasons, but they'll never ask you for any login details. If you do see anything weird, report it, because you might be reporting it before the next person gets done in or scammed. And if you are the person that's being scammed, maybe the previous person could have reported it and it could have saved you. Right? And then we have chargebacks. So service chargebacks can actually deduct funds from your balance. Always deliver clear proof of completion and document all of your client satisfaction. This is a big help. It's very small, but it makes a huge difference. And then remember that Fiverr has a protection plan, but it only protects anybody that is on the platform. if you move off of that platform in terms of payment and communication, they can't help you. So stay safe out there, people.